What?
Knocking.
Knocking.
Knock, knock. Knock, knock.
Knock, knock.
Hi.
Who's there?
Phone who?
Huh?
Phone who?
Phone who? Phone who? Oh, I didn't understand you.
Phone who?
Can you sing the alphabet?
E, B, C, D. E, B, C. A, B, C, D. E, A, B, C. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, Connor. Hi. Hi. Uh-oh.
Again?
Say hi. Can you count to 10?
Airplane.
Airplane in your bedroom? Uh-oh.
Airplane.
Out there? Oh, good. Can you count to 10?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. 3, okay, yeah.
3.
3, you did it! Okay, 1.
4.
4.
5.
5.
4.
What comes after 5?
4.
No. What comes after 5?
4.
Okay, you got to 5. 1, 2,
3.
3.
5.
4.
5.
Then what?
5. 5. 5. 5.
5 what?
5 right there.
5 right there. Does 6 come next? Okay, can you say 6?
6. Mommy.
Alright. And then what?
2.
2.
3.
3.
Out.
Oh.
Out.
Oh.
Okay.
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 Hey, Connor. Do you want to get in your pajamas and get ready for bed?
No.
Yes, you do.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, you do.
No.
Want to go in your really cool fire truck bed? Where is it?
Right there.
Right there? Is that your bed? Do you love your bed? Yeah, it's pretty cool, huh? Hey, buddy.
Mommy talking.
Oh, Mommy doesn't want to talk in the microphone. It's okay. You can do it.
Mommy talking. Mommy talking.
No, I'm okay.
Mommy talking.
Are you going to play me a pretty song? Okay, sing me a song.
Hi.
Hi. Sing me a song.
Mommy sing that.
Oh, I'm okay. Can you sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star?
Twinkle, 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 twinkle.
Uh-oh, what? Are y'all done?
No. Let me do that.
No. Say bye-bye now.
Bye.
Bye-bye, all done?
No.
Bye-bye, all done?
Mommy talking.
Okay. Say bye-bye first.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Have fun.